How to replace multiple spaces by one tab. I have some text files which contain some columns separated by a various number of spaces, but instead I need one single tab as a separator. Is it possible to do in Bash?
To convert sequences of more than one space to a tab, but leave individual spaces alone. To do this for a number of files, or use this form for macOS, or simply to avoid escaping the plus in Linux, along with other options, etc., that you need from the examples above.
If your character is multiple tabs, you can also use TRS. For example, all white spaces will become one.
You can use set to replace a number of spaces with a tab. Example: to replace one or more spaces with one tab.
Perl PIE/s+/t/should.text.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.